After assembly, you will proceed to connect the wires. Each wire will have a name tag corresponding to the parts in the control electrical box. As you can see here, we have a lot of wires, and we will have to tidy them up. After wrong connections are made, we will turn on the power supply using the power switch in this position. To verify its operation, let's first check the different sensor position. To begin, let's read the X sensor located here. We will see if the signal lights turn on. Furthermore, we can open the control box and locate the indicator lights on the circuit inside. Next, for the Y sensors, we will do the same. For the Z sensors, we will use any object to cover the sensor. Thus, everything is working. Now that everything is operational, we will connect the control box to the camera. We use a cable connected from here to the camera. Next, we connect the cable named camera top to the camera. After that, we will download the OpenPnP software. The version we are installing is Windows 64-bit. After the installation is complete, we proceed to open the software for the first time. After the software has been opened for the first time, we close it. We will include a USB drive containing all the configuration files. Each machine will have different configuration files. Copy all these files into the user directory, the OpenPnP 2 folder, and then mask them. We will override the existing files. After overwriting, we will proceed with the installation using the file in the FT232RL driver folder. It is the driver for the USB to RF4A file converter. In addition, there will be two images. These are the setting parameters for the top camera and the bottom camera. We have set specific parameters for both camera types to ensure easy configuration for all users. Let's launch the OpenPnP software again. First, click on Machine Setup. Then click on Driver, followed by the first G-code driver item. After that, return to the desktop and select Manager. Let's check which COM part the control board is connected to on the computer. We go to the parts section. Currently, it is COM6. Returning to the software, we go to the configuration section. In the serial port section, the part is COM6. Select Apply to save, and then close the software. Reopen the software. After the software has started, let's harm the machine. To begin, click the power icon to verify the connection status between the control board and the machine. After the connection is complete, click the home icon to start the first homing sequence. This location is the physical home position. We must move the machine here to perform physical homing. This physical home feature is currently disabled. You must configure the bottom camera's vision setting before we can turn the physical home feature back on. To set up the bottom camera, we go to Height, then Reference Height at 1. Next, select the camera station. The camera dial configuration is located here. I have instructed you to only plug in one camera, and now its has been detected. Next, we select USB camera, set the resolution format to 1280 by 720, and then press Apply. After that, click on the sun icon in the upper corner, and we will see the image brighten. Thus, it has successfully detected the top camera. We adjust these parameters according to the specification that I have included in the image within the file. This is the image file I attached. Open it and adjust the corresponding parameters so that the camera can be detected. Next, we enable the home physical feature, that is the absolute home point. We go to Reference Height at 1, and in the homing method section, we select Reset to Physical Location. Then we click Apply. We proceed to home again. After homing, the machine will automatically move to the track point position. Thus, the homing process is complete and accurate. Currently, the Nozzle chain functions have been disabled because initially, everyone is still getting familiar with the machine, and enabling this feature could pose a risk of damaging the nozzle. This is the Zone 1 and Nozzle 2 feature. In Zone Trigger session, I'm setting the Nozzle chain function to manual, and I have pre-installed two nozzles. For N1, we are using the 220 tip. We check and calibrate it under nozzle tip. The nozzle tip section manages the nozzles. Currently, N1 uses the 220 nozzle and N2 is 065. Remember those two nozzle specifications, we will use them initially. With that, the home configuration is complete. In the next video, I will guide you on setting up the bottom camera and the IF feeder. Goodbye.